Hello, my name is Andres Prada, and I'm here at 3DBodyTech Lugano to present the company our company, Footprint Tech Technologies. That what we are doing is to recommend shoe sizes. We have brought many different. We have brought a talk that we will talk about how we are provisioning successfully military equipment with the correct size fitting, and how we are improving the time for provisioning these soldiers. We have three business verticals. The first one, where we started, it was the e-commerce, and there our app works like in a product page. You go and there's like a shoe, and then the user would like to know their shoe size. So it would go through our app. They would get the fit measured, and then what we do, we work with the manufacturers to get the last data. So this is the inner shoe dimensions to provide the best fitting match between the shoe, this particular shoe, and these fit measurements. But today I'm going to talk about the safety shoe process that we have in this safety shoe. We are working with different brands, mainly in Germany, and I'm going to showcase how it works for a sales agent when it goes to the different clients to recommend the shoes. And to how to get all the recommended shoe sizes. So for that, we have this paper stack. We are working with Würth, this German company. I'm going to take a clean sheet of paper. And from here, I'm just going to go here to get the QR code. And this will open our app. I'm going to type in the email of my email this time, but this would be the email of for example, the sales agent or anyone that is taking care of this situation. Then the seller branch number, you can do whatever you want. This is just data that the agents would use for, or the client, which is in the end a free text for them. Then we log in. And then we have some options. So for example, for the Würth case, they have different selections depending on the security types or the requirements for the shoes. So for example, I will just choose here sanitary electrical conditions. And then here we go to, for example, wet. And then we will recommend the boots for this. Here we have two options. We have the full shoe feet measurement that would be basically left and right foot, and also the foot. In addition, the foot arch. This is very, very convenient because we are also recommending the perfect insole type with the Sikosol and Hartmann, and we are recommending high, mid, and low type of insoles. And what we're going to do, I'm going to select that, or we also have the option to only select the shoe size. So we are going to go for the full measurement. Here there are some instructions. This would be like the same procedure as if we are working in the e-commerce, for example. Then you would take the shoes and socks off, then pull up your pants, as in the video, for example. And this would be like a fully guided solution. Then you click on top. We have different options. So for Europe, it would be like more convenient the DIN A4. For US customers, it could be also the US letter, and we're going to leave it like that. Also, it should be like a flat DIN A4. And here for our client Würth, what we have, and you're going to see in a moment, is that everything is prepared with this stack of papers that we have. Here we ask for the permissions for the camera, and then we have permissions for the tilt sensor, and we are preparing the foot measurement. This will take us to measure first the back of the foot, so please come here. So this will take the back of the foot, so I click on I'm ready, and then we start, and then we just come here, the back of the foot, and then we fit the sheet of paper, and then we just need to do the same for the front here. So we need to fit the corners into the sheet of paper. And we now do the same thing for the left foot, please. Move to the left foot. Exactly. And then we have here the back. Then we move on to the front, which is basically the same thing. And now we are moving on to the foot arch. For that, I need you, please stand with the right foot like that, exactly, put some pressure, and then we come here, and we basically need to see the foot from this angle, And from that, we just take the picture, and then we go to the other one, which is the left foot, please. And that's it. And with that, what we can see is that we are recommending, this is a male, and then what we get is all the list of the articles that we have recommended for example, Worth, this client, our client, and then we just select the ones that we have. For example, this is the insole, the Secosol Complete Plus insole in the medium. This means that he needs the medium foot arch, and then you just kind of select the size and the model name, and then you just select the ones that you want to have, different security or different type of boot. Right? And then once you have it, you just submit, measure again, and then this is going to be saved in a database, so the agent can later relate to the customer ID and then all the shoes that were indicated for this person. And this is what we are doing for not only Worth, but we are working with other safety manufacturers in Germany, such as Elten or Uvex, and we are also working on similar. We are working also on similar project for example, different military organizations, because in the end we need to provision the soldiers faster, and this is a perfect way to handle all of the foot measurements and size recommendations for the different shoe models. We are also working on different projects, like for example with Adidas or the Eversion, for recommending different shoe sizes, so getting the precise fit measurements. So this is more or less what we do. Well, actually, this is what we do. And I will be giving a talk later tomorrow about how we successfully applied all of this into the defense or military sector. Thank you very much, and I hope you like the talk and the live explanation. Thank you.